I walk on the court and everybody be like, I got the white one. I'm like, it's gonna be hell. All these 3 possessions, your coach is gonna ask someone else to come guard you.
Straight out the hills where the grind gets real. Arkansas's roots, that small town steel. No driving night lights, no cameras thrown. Just a kid with a jumper and a chip full grown. Put him on the court, watch calm take shape. Reads every angle like he's mapping escape. Hard cuts, tough takes, IQ in the zone. Undrafted, unbothered, made the league his home.
AR15, AR15.
Lemon Daddy, do your thing.
AR15, AR15.
Underdog, rise and feel that swing.
AR15, AR15.
Lemon Daddy, do your thing.
AR15, AR15.
Underdog rising. From role player spark to a takeover threat, kept receipts on everyone who ever slept. Playoff nights, that cold-blooded tone. Hit step backs like he's carving a throne. Coast to coast, that pace so clean. Handles like water with a silent sheen. Now the league looks up at the kid they passed. All-star dreams turning present fast.
AR15, AR15.
Lemon Daddy, do your thing.
AR15, AR15.
Underdog, rise and feel that swing.
AR15, AR15.
Lemon Daddy, do your thing.
AR15, AR15.
Underdog, rise and feel that swing. Every doubter carved the fire in his stride. Every setback lit the courage in his mind. From nothing promised to everything earned, he showed the world how an underdog burns. Built from the dirt, shaped by the grind. Arkansas heartbeat, one of a kind. League tried to sleep, now they know the theme. You can't